Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of Pattay's Performance. Today we're going to do a quick little video on a product we decided to start selling. Okay, we decided that there is a want and a need since we owned and since we started reselling Toro Timemasters. A lot of times you guys are going to come across these mowers with either ripped bags or they are completely missing. Just like this mower here, as you can see. This is an aftermarket bag that fits and functions like OEM, just not at the price. So when you're going to get it, it's going to come in that white package. We're going to unwrap it. See, I'm not using a knife because I don't want to put a hole in my holeless bag. Please check fitment before ordering, as we are not responsible. I try to do as much research as I can, and I put in the description of what mowers these will fit. So please check. Model and serial number are located right here by the fuse. Now, this is a frame we have as well. We only have one of these in stock. We're working on getting more. We aren't selling frames alone. It's worth it for us and for you, for shipping reasons, to get both bag and frame. Brand new. Now, of course, due to shipping and handling, you might have a couple of paint chips on your frame. No crime. You're going to chip it anyway. This plastic part goes on the bottom. We're going to stick it in. And we will start right here. As fast as we can. So we're going to start with the bottom. Pick up this plastic flap here. And it snaps right in. Now, we're going to work underneath, and we're going to start on the side. Right there on the side, and then we're going to go to the other side as well. And now we go to the top. Okay, and here we are. Fit and finish is great. Now, as you guys see, this Toro Timemaster is rocking the same exact setup. So you just take out the other one. And there you go. You put in a new one. Links to purchase the bag and frame, when we have them in stock, we only have one at the moment, will be in the description. The links to purchase just the bags will be in the description as well. Those we do have in stock. Those should ship out the same day you order, as long as we're awake, and you should be receiving your bag in a few days shortly. We are doing expedited free shipping. All right guys, thanks for the video. Thanks for checking out the video. Thanks for the support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.